Hey guys, Deronda here with Foods 101. Today I'm going to show you how to make these ham and cheese mini calzones in puff pastry. Absolutely perfect for the Super Bowl coming up, for Valentine's Day, or any day of the year. The ingredients you're going to need is a 10-ounce package of puff pastry shells. You can find these in the frozen food section of your supermarket. Thaw in the refrigerator overnight before using. 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, or if you'd like to use a more coarse mustard, you may, or if you'd like to leave it out, you may do that too. 3 tablespoons of chopped green onions. Some of you will know this as spring onions. 1/2 cup to a cup of Colby shredded cheese. I've got slices of white Sharp cheese here. 6 olives, since we're going to be making 6 mini calzones. You can use black olives, calamari olives, or you can leave them out. I've got salami that I've cut in quarters, 6 slices of ham that I've sliced into these mini pieces. And you're going to need 2 tablespoons of milk or heavy whipping cream. We're going to use this to brush the top of our puff pastries before we bake them, and I'm going to show you how we're going to do that. Starting with our puff pastry, as you can see, 3 are connected together. We're going to use a knife to separate them, starting with 1 at a time. Roll ours out and it'll come together with a rolling pin. These are about 4 to 5 inches in diameter. We're going to add the mustard here, and where you'll see the circle. You don't want to go out along the edge, because I'm going to show you how we're going to glue that together here in a little bit. Then we're starting with 2 slices of our thinly sliced cheese with a little Colby Jack cheese, some onions, some ham. Now, if you'd like to dice your ham, you can do that too. And a few slices of salami. I like to top it with our Colby cheese or white cheddar. Using that cream, we're going to go around the edge of our pastry, and I'm here to tell you, everyone absolutely loves these. And this cream is going to act like a glue to keep all your center goodies intact. We're going to fold it over. You may have to hold it all in there, and then we're just going to glue it together. Yes, it makes a nice size little calzone that everyone loves. With a fork, let's go around the edges to make sure that that cheese and our filling will stay very secured in our puff pastry, and then we're going to vent it. Now this goes over here to a cookie sheet that I've lined with parchment paper. Not necessary, but I love the way it makes the bottom of our calzones look. We're going to continue making our second one. On the first one, I forgot to show you how to add that olive. I just added there in the center. That is, if you want to add an olive. And then we're going to layer it with the ham and a few slices of our salami. And again, we're going to brush the edges before we pull it together. Doesn't take much. Over, we fold it again. You just want to squish all your filling in and seal it around the edges. I love the way these look. I've added some water to an egg. I've used an egg wash. I really swapped out the heavy whipping cream with an egg wash because I think it sealed the edges a lot better. So I just wanted to be safe than sorry. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to brush the top of each of our ham and cheese mini calzones in puff pastry. I've got my oven preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, be sure you get the corners. This egg wash will give this puff pastry a beautiful golden brown in color once it's baked. And you'll see how that turns out here in a little bit. I'm brushing the last one with our egg wash, and at this point you want your oven preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, this is off to that oven on the middle rack for the next 20 to 25 minutes, or until they're golden in color. Use your timer and no peeking. Our ham and cheese mini calzones have baked. We're going to let them cool down, and I'll be back to show you what they look like on the inside and give them a taste. Hang on. 6 ham and cheese calzones. I love to serve them on a plate like this. Pick it up, put it on your plate. Look how golden and beautiful that is on the bottom. That's why I love using parchment paper to bake them on. I'm going to go in here, show you what they look like on the inside. There you go. That ham, that cheese, that olive. It's a favorite for any game day or any special events or any day of the year. Gotta give it a try. Wow, the ham, the cheese, that salami, and it looks like that's the olive. Gotta give it a try. You won't go wrong with these ham and cheese calzones at your next get together, or not. I'm Doronda with Foods 101. Thanks a million for watching, and I'll catch you lovely people later.